Edo State Governor Senator Okpebholo don announce say the first flyover bridge for Edo State go dey completed by April 2026, 4 months earlier than the time wey dem plan before. The governor tok this one for the All Progressive Congress APC campaign rally for Esa North-East local government area as part of activities ahead of the Edo Central Senatorial by-election wey go shele on August 16. According to the governor, the original completion time for the flyover na 1 year and 6 months, but dem don reduce am to 1 year and 2 months. He said this change shows the seriousness and commitment of the administration to deliver important infrastructure quickly for the benefit of the people. Governor Okpebholo also chook mouth on top other ongoing projects for the area, say from Ekpoma to Ubiaja, the road dey undergo dualization, and after the rainy season, massive road construction go start. He can remind the people say the Ekpoma road before na death trap, but he ensure say dem award the contract for the repair while he still be senator. The governor contacted President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for supporting Edo State development plans and for understanding the needs of Edo people where they help speed up many projects. On top water supply, Governor Okpebholo come also announce say the Ugboha water scheme don resume operation and water distribution don return to Uromi and nearby communities.
I know say on the 16th, this one is a done deal. The one that I want to tell you that we continue to live with you till 2027. We have agreed that in Edo State, 2.5 million votes our president. He's a man that has been supporting me.
Yes.
He takes me as a son.
Yes.
For that reason, he took Edo as his home.
Yes.
For that reason, Edo people must support him.
Yes.
For having 2.5 million. We are using this election to test the microphone. So I want to thank Ugboha people.
The campaign team visits all 11 wards for the local government area as APC leaders they yarn the people to come out plenty to support and vote for their candidate, Honorable Joseph Ikbia. Them also witnessed many people from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and Labour Party wey can join APC, a move where the governor believe go strengthen the ruling party before the election.
I can't go to school. Are you here now? On a year runner, okay, to pay. All the governors in China, I put that on us everywhere. Oh, people. On the 16th of this month, where this was making next week,
the governor encouraged the people of Edo Central to give support to APC candidate Honorable Joseph Ikbia for the August 16th by-election to make sure say the ongoing progress and development continue without break. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.